Alright, what's good, YouTube? So I'm doing a whole room transformation, right? So my YouTube's gonna be filled with car stuff, everything. I'm just gonna do a lot of stuff on there, okay? So today I'm doing a room transformation on my room, and I needed space on my phone because I'm out of been recording a lot of things, so I'm out of space, right? So a lot of car videos, all my spaces, all of my car and stuff. But I accidentally deleted, because I needed space, I deleted the intro to my YouTube video that I'm making right now.
What you just said is one of the most insanely idiotic things I have ever heard. At no point in your rambling, incoherent response were you even close to anything that could be considered a rational thought.
So just wanted to remake an intro, yeah. The intro was me building this desk and all this stuff, and I only have half of the clip, so the intro got deleted out of it. So here's the intro. I've already done the transformation of my room, but I'm putting this video together for you guys, and yeah, stay tuned and let's get it popping. So check it out, I got this little, plug this in right over here. It's gonna be dope. Soundproof, styrofoam.
What?
And like a little carpet thing to match. Gray and black. This is gray and black. I got my lights right here for the room. There's the remote and the cord. There's a roll of lights. And here's another roll of lights. Let's go. About to do a whole room transformation. Don't mind the mess, because this is all part of the video. All this is going to be cleaned up. Move all this away, clean up all of that. Styrofoam. I'm going to put the little carpet thing right here. Boom, boom, boom. Let's go. Lights around the room. That right there is going behind the fish tank.
What's going on? Doctor, I'm done. Cut the show. I'm done. Take me out.
It's gonna be nice. Let's get it, yo. Alright, yo. Got all my stuff. About to do a room transformation. Ooh, let's go. We'll stand up the light. Check this out. Watch. Okay. Little tripod. Okay. Boom. This is what the box looks like. We got a little remote, which is funny because it turns on my lights up there. There's a cord, power cord. Hey, okay. Little remote right here. Let's see. Oh, you can dim it down. Raise it up. Change the colors like this. Boom. Hey. I know exactly where this is going too. This is gonna be nice. Oh, let's go.
Nice.
Alright, bet. I don't know if you guys can see the little lights on my wall, but it's like messing with the lights up there too. I got different remotes for this, so alright, that's dope. Well, let's get up into it, bro. This is gonna be sick. Rearranging the whole room right now. We redoing the whole room. Okay. Let's go. Looking good already. Hey, let's go. Got the floor to match the soundproof. Eventually I'm gonna get another order of these and fill up this whole wall, remove all that, the whole wall, top to bottom. This is all I had, so I'm gonna get more of these, fill up the whole entire carpet, the whole thing. But not too bad, not too bad. Let's go. Alright, here's the before. Before. Alright, y'all, so I'm done making the video, editing everything, and this is, I had to make an outro so the video wasn't just like a bleh. So I'm finally done editing. Been at it all night. 7:35 in the morning. I'm about to put this outro on there, post a video here soon. I'm tired, going to bed. I have to get up at 10:30 or 11:30, a couple hours from now, to start working on Shelby's big secret that everybody's waiting for. which by the end of this month she should be completely done and ready to go, and I will be showing everybody and maybe making another YouTube video of everything I had to go through for that. But I hope you guys all enjoyed the video. I'm tired, so the video's just kind of, I wouldn't say lame, but I just kind of, you know, went with the flow. But I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share, you know, hit me up on IG, TikTok. I always respond back to followers, comments. I'm always in the comment section responding back to everybody. PMs on IG and TikTok. And yeah, I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Y'all be safe, and hey, keep on cruising.